Struggling with stubborn oven grease and grime that just won't come off? In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 oven cleaners that actually make your job easier. Let's begin with the Easy Off Fume-Free Oven Cleaner, model 62338-85719. This product remains a customer favorite for good reason. It's specifically formulated to be safe for self-cleaning ovens and doesn't produce strong chemical fumes like traditional cleaners. The fume-free aspect is particularly beneficial for people with sensitive noses or households with kids and pets. It features a fresh lemon scent and a powerful cleaning action that works in as little as 30 seconds for spot cleaning. For more baked-on messes, letting it sit for a couple of hours does the trick. Easy Off dissolves grease and carbon deposits without requiring heavy scrubbing. It's ideal for people who want fast, effective results without harsh odors or the need for gloves. Next on our list is the ZEP Heavy-Duty Oven and Grill Cleaner, model ZUOVGR19. This one is made for those who aren't afraid of serious cleaning power. It's a go-to choice for commercial kitchens and experienced home cooks who deal with heavy grease buildup. ZEP's thick foam clings to surfaces and quickly breaks down even the most stubborn grime in just 10 minutes. While the performance is impressive, the downside is its strong chemical scent, which requires good ventilation during use. It's not the most pleasant to use, but it's incredibly effective. If you need a cleaner that can cut through years of buildup on your oven or grill, ZEP is a solid, budget-friendly option that won't let you down. Our third recommendation is the CARBONA Oven Cleaner Spray, model 01646. Unlike traditional aerosols, this product comes in a gel formula that sticks to surfaces and begins dissolving grime without releasing harsh fumes. It's biodegradable and made with an eco-conscious formula, which makes it a standout choice for green-minded users. Though it requires a longer wait time, anywhere from 20 minutes to a few hours depending on the severity of the grime, it's worth the patience. Users consistently report how easily baked-on messes wipe away after using this product. The scent is light and non-irritating, making it a comfortable option to use without masks or gloves. If you're not in a rush and want a safer, environmentally friendly option, CARBONA is a great pick. Fourth on the list is Goo Gone Oven and Grill Cleaner, model 519775. This cleaner is known for its ability to dissolve tough grease stains fast, often within just 5 to 10 minutes. The foaming formula expands and penetrates baked-on food, allowing you to wipe it away with minimal effort. It's particularly great for cleaning greasy oven doors, racks, and grill grates. While the scent is stronger than fume-free options, it's not overwhelming and fades quickly. The can sprays evenly and covers a good surface area, which reduces waste and gets the job done faster. Goo Gone is ideal for those who clean frequently and need a reliable product that saves time and elbow grease. Finally, we have the WEIMAN Heavy-Duty Stove and Oven Cleaner, model 10122. This cleaner is designed for versatility, and it works well on ovens, stovetops, broiler pans, and more. It starts dissolving messes in as little as 2 minutes, making it one of the fastest working products in its category. It's unscented, which is a big plus for users who are sensitive to fragrances. WEIMAN products are known for being safe yet effective, and this oven cleaner is no exception. It doesn't require intense scrubbing, and the results are consistently excellent across a wide variety of surfaces. If you want an all-in-one cleaner for the entire kitchen, WEIMAN is a trustworthy choice with professional-grade results.